Clock in and get ready to build, smash, and crash with Cory and his pal Timmy O'Tool. From the original animated series, Go Go Cory Carson, the O'Tool's construction site playset comes with mini Cory and Timmy. Sound the steam whistle.
Let's knock it down!
To launch Timmy down the slide and crashing through the wall below. Build fun, new ways to play by moving the slide around the construction site.
We're always remodeling the house.
One scoop of dirt, please.
The PlayZone on the platform responds to Mini Cory, Timmy, and other mini characters from the show, sold separately. And SmartPoint characters can play along too.
I'm Timmy O'Tool, my wrecking ball is the strongest of them all.
With a movable SmartPoint location, other characters sold separately. The fun is building up over at the O'Tool construction site. From VTech.